Hi, I'm Tracy from Bassard. We are always looking for the best technologies and solutions to improve your productivity in your factory using smart factory logistics. With our newest system, SmartBin Cloud, we go one step further into smart industrial factories that will take you to the next level. What is it about? SmartBin Cloud is a revolutionary product that combines our proven weighing system SmartBin with our latest digital label system SmartLabel. This fusion has been further developed with the latest sensor technology, cloud-based communication, and a revolutionary label design that enforces leaner processes and more precise real-time data in your factory. This is how it works. With SmartBin Cloud, you always have your real-time stock information on hand. Through activity-based data transmission, the system updates all stock and order information instantly at every use in order to have a transparent and monitored database of your products. This guarantees an automated and reliable reorder process. SmartBin Cloud makes use of the latest cloud computing technology and ensures the highest standard of data security through end-to-end communication. The newest IIoT communication technology makes real-time data easily accessible on every device with ARMS. Using your existing infrastructure, a reliable and secure industrial cloud connection at any time and place in your factory is possible. The new system always comes with the latest SmartLabel. With the improved design, you have all your product information and order status at a glance on the display. After every motion, all dynamic information is automatically updated with real-time data on the label to ensure full control and transparency of your products. By having the label on your bin, further technological enhancements are possible to ensure a lean and intelligent process in your factory. Do you want to know more about SmartBin Cloud? Get in touch with our experts to find out how SmartBin Cloud can improve your factory. Contact us at www.bassard.com to have the latest technology in your factory.